Hey, Colfax Math here. 12 times 12 is 144. 3 times 8 is 24. 9 times 9 is 81. 6 times 4 is 24. 11 times 7 is 77. If you're getting all those right, then this video might not be for you. This is a math preparation video for the ASVAB military placement exam. A lot of studies have shown that for you to do well on any standardized math exam, you have to have your multiplication facts dialed in. I did a video like this earlier. This is just a new set of 50 problems. So if you didn't get those first 5 right, grab a piece of paper and a pencil, get ready to do these problems. I'm going to give you about a 3-second pause before I type in the correct answer. Dialing in these math facts is essential for success. It is the first step in being successful on the ASVAB military placement exam, both the math knowledge and the arithmetic reasoning exam. If you never got these figured out early on, that's okay. Now's the time to get them figured out. Here's a multiplication table up to 12. You really need to print this out and learn all of these math facts so that you recall them really quickly and that you get them, that very little of your brain capacity is used on these multiplication facts and all your brain capacity is used on solving the problems. So I'm going to scroll down to that next page. Get ready. I'm going to try and give you about 3 seconds of problem, and then I'm going to do the problem and say it out loud and then also type it in. You might want to pause the video here to get your paper and pencil, and then we're going to scroll down and get started. All right, here we go. Number 1, 11 times 8 is 88. 7 times 6 is 42. 9 times 4 is 36. 12 times 5 is 60. 8 times 3 is 24. 6 times 9 is 54. 4 times 11, 44. 5 times 7, 35. 10 times 10, 100. 12 times 12, 144. 3 times 8, 24. 9 times 9, 81. 6 times 4, 24. 11 times 7, 77. 7 times 12, 84. 8 times 5, 40. 4 times 10, 40. 12 times 9, 108. 5 times 6, 30. 10 times 11, 110. 2 times 7, 14. 9 times 3, 27. 7 times 8, 56. 6 times 12, 72. 11 times 11, 121. 4 times 9, 36. 8 times 4, 32. 12 times 6, 72. 3 times 10, 30. 5 times 5, 25. 10 times 7, 70. 9 times 12, 108. 7 times 9, 63. 6 times 8, 48. 11 times 4, 44. 8 times 11, 88. 4 times 6, 24. 12 times 10, 120. 5 times 9, 45. 9 times 6, 54. 7 times 7, 49. 10 times 4, 40. 8 times 12, 96. 6 times 5, 30. 11 times 9, 99. 4 times 12, 48. 12 times 7, 84. 5 times 8, 40. 9 times 11, 99. And 7 times 10 is 70. If you want a percent of that, circle the ones you got wrong. Make sure you go back and memorize those facts. Then you could figure out how many you got right, double that number, and that would be out of 100. So again, if you don't have your multiplication tables completely dialed in, now's the time to learn them. That'll really help you progress on the ASVAB military placement exam. This channel is all about math test success, helping you be as successful as possible on any standardized exam. If you find this helpful, please hit the subscribe button, the notification button, and share it with anybody else you might know who's studying for a standardized math exam. Again, whether you got these early on in life or not, now's the time to get them figured out. So keep studying, keep practicing. The harder you work, the better you'll do. Thank you for watching.